So the Aoostar AG02 is a really decent docking station eGPU, but mine came with a bit of annoying sound which was coming from the PSU, something like this. Yeah, and the way I fixed it, at least in my case, was that there are actually two screws that are holding the PSU in place, preventing you to actually from removing it. But I think they actually have an effect by putting some pressure on the fan, which then generates the noise. So what I did was, if you remove all the screws holding the bottom plate and then lift this side carefully up, you will see those two screws which are holding the PSU in place right there, and they are actually putting pressure on the fan, which in my case I think was the case. So what I did was just take a couple of pliers and slightly loosen each screw a little bit, and then you should be able to pull them out like by hand basically. Just remove them, and there are no extra screws or anything like that that are holding the PSU in place. It's just only these two, and the rest is just on the. Yep. So there's one. Second one out. So then you press this back, put it in place, and then the PSU should. You should be able to take out the PSU. So in my case, the PSU is the Great Wall 800. It's a decent server grade PSU, and you can see how the screws were sitting inside, almost like the casing of the fan. I think putting extra pressure on it. So by doing this, I went basically to this. Decent improvement, I think, in terms of sound and everything. So the way you put it back is just put the bottom plate screws back in place. Check that the screws holding the fan are good, sitting well, the fan is sitting properly. It's good, and then you can just slide the PSU back into the case, and that's it. So I just put everything back together. Your Oculink, put your GPU back, connect, and you should be good to go. Now, besides that, this is a very good, I think, eGPU dock, especially if you're looking for something compact in size. The PSU choice might be interesting in this case, but I mean, server grade PSUs are they can be loud, but the setup that Aoostar decided to go with, just with screwing the PSU in place, maybe it's not very thought through. So Aoostar, if you are watching this, like, don't do it. You have a very good product otherwise. I'm pretty happy with how things work and how easy and plug and play things actually worked, at least in my case. Yeah. Okay. Good luck.